Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on shear stresses. A problem statement is a beam of square cross section is subjected to a vertical shear force of F and the beam is placed so that one of its diagonal is horizontal. Sketch the shear stress distribution across the section. Also calculate the ratio of maximum to mean shear stress. So this is a given square cross section. It is placed in such a way that one of its diagonal is horizontal. So we have this horizontal axis. Then of course another diagonal which is perpendicular to this diagonal will be along the y-axis. Let A be the side of the square. Now in this problem we have been asked to find first the shear stress distribution diagram. Then second, they have asked to find the ratio of maximum shear stress to mean shear stress. So let's solve the problem. So first we try to find out the shear stress distribution diagram. Now we show this cross section. Now we see that your cross section is symmetrical about this x-axis axis. So we may say that your centroidal x-axis axis is your neutral axis. Now in order to plot the shear stress distribution diagram, we need to know the shear stress at salient points, which are the two extreme layers from the neutral axis where we know the shear stress will be 0. Then we need to determine the shear stress at the neutral axis. Then we also need to determine the shear stress at any particular layer where your shear stress may be maximum. And we know that the formula for shear stress at any particular layer from the neutral axis is given as tau is equal to FAY bar upon IB, where F is your shear force, AY bar is the first moment of area about the layer about the neutral axis, B is the width of that layer, and I is the moment of inertia of the whole cross section about its neutral axis. So let us determine the moment of inertia I of the whole section about this neutral axis. From the section we see that moment of inertia of square cross section about x-axis axis can be given as moment of inertia of two triangles about the base x-axis. The triangles are shaded in green color. We see that the centroidal x-axis axis or neutral axis of this square cross section is same as that of base of the two triangles which is shaded in green color. Now let B be the base of this triangle, which will also be the length of the diagonal of the square cross section, and let H be the height of this single triangle. So the moment of inertia of two triangles could be written as 2 times of BH cube by 12. Now BH cube by 12 is the moment of inertia of a triangle about its base. So the Ix of this square cross section about the centroidal x-axis axis or neutral axis is 2 BH cube by 12, and let this be equation 1.